Hi everybody, I'm Lynn Poulton with ICD. I'm the Director of Marketing, and this is a special edition of Libations with Lynn, where we're talking with Kyrsten Costlow, and she is a PhD student in geropsychology. I say that right?
That's correct, yeah.
All right, at the University of Alabama, and you're doing a study, and you had reached out to us and asked if we would know of any clients that we have that would be able to participate. So why don't you just tell us about the study and tell us how people can get in touch with you so you can get your 10 more people or less.
Yeah. So for the study, I'm hoping to learn more about the process and the outcomes of downsizing to a smaller home in late life. So we're looking for people who are 55 or older and who have moved to a smaller home in the past year. And basically we're doing interviews that can be in person if you're near Tuscaloosa, or over the phone, where we're asking about your downsizing experience, some of your reasons for moving to the smaller home, how your feelings towards your home, and just general health and well-being. And usually these interviews take like 30 to 45 minutes or so. And what we're trying to learn is just, there's a lot of research out there looking at people in late life who move to things like nursing homes, but there's less looking at the specific process of deciding to downsize and move somewhere where you're still living independently, but in a purposefully smaller location. So we want to learn more about why people make those decisions and how they feel about them afterwards.
So how do you want people to reach out to you if they know of someone or they are that person that wants to participate?
So they can either reach out with email or phone. They reach out through either of those. I'll get in touch with them about scheduling the interview.
All right, so what's your deadline?
There isn't a hard deadline at this point. It's more whenever we get to that number of participants that we need.
Okay.
Hoping that we can get to that number within maybe the next month or so, something like that.
Okay. So maybe
no hard deadline right now.
All right, so maybe by May-ish or something.
Yeah, something like that.
And that's fantastic. Well, thank you for doing the research. We wish you well in your master's thesis.
Thank you.
And hope that you get your people here soon. Thanks for spending time with us.
Yes, definitely. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right.